The wait is finally over. You guys asked and we delivered. We've now got the side hatches for the Rebel Off-Road XPLOR bed rack. Check this out. Easy install, easy access to the front of your bed. It'll install on any of our bed racks. We also have a half height version and we have a MOLLE version as well that looks very similar to this. Easy access to the front of your bed so you don't have to crawl through there anymore. We always put the cooler and all the gear that you want to access quickly towards the back, and then everything in the front is always forgotten about and you never end up getting it because you can't access it. So here we go, here's your answer. Also again, lockable. So once you close this thing up, you have key to like locks here. So same key is gonna open all of your latches as well. And this is nice, everything's aluminum, very, very lightweight. This piece right here is going to install using these existing holes right here. So install, take those guys out right there, install this on here, and then you're just gonna drill the 2 holes at the bottom. This is gonna be an accessory panel, MOLLE accessory panel. So you can use our MOLLE accessory nuts. You've got a series of holes as well as slots right here to add anywhere between about 5 and 7 pounds onto one of these hatches here. So again, check them out. Website, rebeloffroad.com, or give us a call. Place an order for a couple of them. Thanks, guys.